I'm going to provide you with some helpful tips on how to maintain your laundry appliances and keep them in proper working order. Let's talk about your dryer's ventilation system. The ventilation system on a dryer should be made of a non-flammable material or rigid metal. If your vent pipe is made of plastic or PVC, plastic is flammable, and if it catches fire, it can become toxic. Here is an important factor to remember. The max venting distance for your dryer is 25 feet. Make certain that your vent pipe run to where it exits the home is no longer than that. If there are bends in your vent pipe, you got to remember that it adds 5 feet of distance to the entire run. Anytime a vent pipe exceeds 25 feet in total distance, it can cause back pressure into the dryer cavity, and that's when the internal cavity will formulate lint and create a fire hazard. There are two indicators of airflow issues in your dryer. One is an increased dry time. The second is a lint filter obstruction. If you notice that your lint filter is not obtaining a full layer of lint and now it's only partial, that's a key indicator that the airflow is obstructed in the dryer. And remember, an obstructed airflow can create a fire hazard. Also, make certain that you clean your lint filter after every use. If you're using dryer sheets can begin to obscure the airflow process through the lint filter. If the airflow process gets obscured, lint will not accumulate on the lint filter correctly. Instead, it will accumulate inside the dryer cavity. Dryers are a leading cause of fires in America. Remember, fires start in the cavity of dryer, not the vent pipe. The dryer catches fire, then the vent pipe catches fire, then the house catches fire. You should inspect your external wall vent regularly. The wall vent usually has a flapper or shutters that open when the air travels out of the unit. Sometimes the flappers or the shutter can fall out, which can allow rodents and other animals to crawl into the vent system and obscure airflow. If you notice that there's lint built up around those shutters, remove it and make sure that the shutters are opening freely.